Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Urus and this is by Mini GT and this is the Arancio Borealis. That's the color actually. So in simple words I can say this is the orange color. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, I bought this from Cars and Dolls. Actually this one is a gift from my wife. So it's like a surprise gift from my wife. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay. Let's keep the box aside for a minute. Wow, this actually looks bigger than I thought, and it is actually heavier than I thought. So the initial impressions of this particular car is this looks really beautiful and the paint job looks really nice. It's not too glittery but it's good. And the rims are so beautiful, man. See, look at this. Look at the rims here. That looks really nice. So I think the headlights are actually, it has some kind of plastic and yeah, it has some kind of plastic and inside, the Y-shaped things are painted. But I still love, Majorette's version of Urus. They actually put some kind of, fiber inside instead of just, pasting it on, painting inside of it. So the entire thing is actually, the entire car is made of metal. So the tailors are actually made of some kind of fiber. And I think inside of it is painted if I'm not wrong. So logos are really great. It has sunroof. I never thought, the Urus actually had sunroof. Maybe it's one of the version if I'm not wrong. I mean variants. So the rear view mirrors are actually made of some kind of the silicon and it actually moves. I don't want to disturb that one because sometimes it will come out. So the interior details are really awesome on this one. So the tires are actually made of rubber. So here's the details on the bottom. Okay, I'm pretty sure Mini GT doesn't have any suspension. Yeah, it doesn't have. But I don't think we need to do a roll test, but anyway, here we go. It rolls okay. It doesn't roll well actually. See, these are supposed to be kept as a display piece. It's not supposed to be played with. So if you guys are planning to buy Mini GT for your kids, specifically under the age of 10, don't buy it. Because it has choking hazard and this is specifically collector's model. So if you are a collector, go ahead and buy it. If you or else don't waste money on this one. Just go ahead and buy Hot Wheels. If you want something premium and it is really good, the moving parts and I'll go and buy Majorette. If you really want to collect, even Majorette I prefer for collecting. But Mini GT and Mini GT Tarmac and rest of the things only for collecting, not to be played with. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.